This 13-in-1 table delivers ultimate value with more games for your money and more games in less space. The Triumph 13-in-1 multigame table has 13 different games to choose between, from action games like basketball and archery to challenging games for the mind like chess or checkers. Change from one game to another in minutes. The table, measuring 48 inches length, 24 inches width, 32 inches height, includes all accessories required to play each game. After playing, game boards stow conveniently away into the built-in storage rack system when not in use. A storage bag is also included for all small game parts and accessories. The 13 games included are billiards, push hockey, table tennis, basketball, launch football, launch baseball, tic-tac-toe, bean bag toss, sea bean bag toss, soft tip darts, chess, checkers, backgammon, and archery. The fun never stops with 13 challenging games in one quality Triumph table. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Keep your kids entertained for hours with 13 games in one compact game table. Number 2. Includes basketball, table tennis, billiards, push hockey, launch football and baseball, tic-tac-toe, and skee bean bag toss. Number 3. Table also includes strategy games, chess, soft tip darts, checkers, archery, and backgammon. Number 4. Easy cleanup with built-in storage for smaller game boards and storage bag for small accessories. Number 5. Table includes all accessories required to play 13 different games. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.